Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to run your PHP files inside VS Code using the PHP Server extension. Alright, first step is to install the extension. Open VS Code. Click the extension icon on the left. Search for PHP Server. If you see PHP Server by Brafifra, that's the correct one. Now let's create a simple PHP file to test everything. Create a PHP folder. Inside, create a file of your choice. Open this in your favorite text editor or IDE. Name index.php. Type this. You echo PHP server. Save the file. Now to run this PHP file, right click anywhere inside the editor. Select PHP Server, Save Projects. Then VS Code will open the browser automatically and you should see your message printed. And that's it. You just learned how to run PHP files inside VS Code using the PHP Server extension, the fastest and simplest method in 2025. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe for more PHP web dev and AI tutorials. And see you in the next one.